Wanbo, launch a new upgraded X5 Pro 2025 Smart Projector. The Wanbo X5 Pro 2025 Smart Projector is launching soon in the US. This model builds on the original X5 Pro, which enhanced 4K support, HDR10 compatibility, and a better HDMI port. Other features include the Google TV interface, integrated speakers, and image perfecting tools like automatic focus. Wanbo is about to launch the X5 Pro 2025 home theater projector in the US. It is said to feature several upgrades compared to the original X5 Pro model, which was released in this market in 2024. The X5 Pro 2025 has a native 108p resolution with a 3000:1 contrast ratio. The model is marketed as HDR10 compatible, an improvement on its SDR predecessor. It supports 4K content from streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, and Prime Video. Historically, it was only said to support 4K YouTube content. The light source is said to deliver up to 1,100 ANSI lumens, matching the original model. However, it is worth noting that this measurement is not in line with an internationally recognized standard like ISO or ANSI lumens. Wanbo's X5 Pro can project images from 40 to 140 inches wide with a 1.25:1 throw ratio. Users can perfect the image with tools like autofocus, auto keystone correction, and auto screen fit. Through the Google TV interface, you can access many streaming apps, searching for content using Google Assistant voice commands. Ports include HDMI 2.0 rather than the HDMI 1.4 port included on the older version, and this model supports dual-band Wi-Fi. This projector, which measures 252 by 246 by 115 millimeters, approximately 9.9x, 9.7x, 4.5 inches, also has two integrated 6 West speakers. The Wanbo X5 Pro 2025 Smart Projector will be released at the brand's online store on August 25th at the discounted price of $339, RRP $379. The Amazon listing for the X5 Pro appears to have been updated to reflect the features of the 2025 model. Here, Prime members can pick up the device for $259.99, while non-members are charged $359.99.